Follow me. Just follow me.
No put.
Boys, follow me.
May ditak na naka-watch southeast Marchan. Huli kong check.
Alright, hold there. Follow me. Walk now, step up. Foot check. Step up.
Tama ka tayo ha.
Step up. Yo, kiss W's the mobs. May nakatingin. Coming side. May nakatingin sana.
Iba yata to?
Coming side. Hindi, may Hiraya. Makita ko.
Hiraya,
Coming
hammer.
side. Coming side.
Nag-back up
Coming
sila.
side. Coming side, boys. Coming side.
Tayo gitu.
Follow me, just follow me. Follow me, boys. Follow me. Kiss W's lang. Kill the mobs nga.
Kaka-engage na nila.
Okay. Kill the mobs. Hold there.
They have another one.
Hold
Uy,
there.
talikod
Oh,
ko
see.
ng crown.
OC. Step up now.
Straight south Marchan, pwede.
Yes, wait. You engage straight south now.
Tip.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 straight south now. Hit. Good job. Come back, net. Cycle left. Oh my days, come back side. Walk west.
Ready.
Walk west. Si Balagbag, Kameni, si Balagbag harap natin. Wait, comes out again. Follow me south.
Yeah.
Pwede ka
Follow me south.
southwest.
Wait, west. Follow me west. Wrap around west, boys. Wrap around west. Yo, engage in the deep southeast, boys now. In 5, 4, 3, no, deep southeast now. Hit. Oh my god, come north again. Hold there. Come west now.
Ready now.
Follow me west. Southeast now. Walk southeast. Walk now, boys. Walk now. Papers now. You engage in deep southeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southeast now. Go back northwest. Heal. Pat. Very good. Mistake. Help mo. Very good. Okay, second one. Face southeast again. Face southeast. Keep on. Occult now, boys. You engage in deep south now. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep south on me. Down. Hit. Good job. Come any. Northwest, boys. Northwest. Ay, hindi, dagal lang pala.
Bunas.
Wala na.
Ito.
Okay, skills. Catch. Gucci, guys. Gucci. To.
Ito, on me.
May lamang.
Hindi. Wala.
On me.
East daw. Ito. Ako nga. Dadleta.
Sir.
Uy.
Wag.
Ito ako sa Troskokan.
Gago ka, Green Cross.
Tatagay ito, pre.
Madadaga, pre.
Sige na yung mahal ko to.
Sama kayo dyan.
Ganda ng pursuit natin. Patayin na rin itong Snow Forest, pre. Ito rin, patayin nyo na rin Snow Forest yan. Gigilaw yung Snow Forest yan.
Ay, kaya, di ko na lang. Tangin na nyo, nasa akin lahat. 49 ko.
Kill lang dyan sa loob. Ayun o. Patay.
Lala. Balik pa ba yan?
Ewan ko rin. Pair boots mount up.
Tangin na nyo, hindi ko man lang nagamit demon ko. Nagloot lang ako doon.
Go inside the castle. Yo, can we scout the blob south?
Ala yata yun, 31 tayo.
Kala ba?
Terte, hindi iba naman.
Hindi na nakita yung 31 DA.
Wala eh.
Lala, gago lahat ng hit walang defensive.
Sabi sa inyo eh.
Ang inang
Si Eric lang namatay sa atin.
Eric lang.
Sorry lang naman. Are you mobile, Rick? Are you mobile?
Hello.
Ano nyo tanong nyo, guild chat? Rick, are you mobile?
Pod review, Eric.
Oh my god, bro.
Are you mobile? Rick, are you mobile?
1630 1630. Yung plan nila nasa diary. Gusto nyo bala subagi.
Oh my god, so
Pwede
many
naman.
hashtags here.
Napakos that.
DA Sam, ay DA1 yung TRS. Gago na DA18 naging DA1 sila.
Naklik na ba yung banner? Wait lang yung banner. Ang ganda rin ng hit nila eh, ang alay. Ang ganda rin ng hit ng alay.
Regrouping sa
Naubos.
Terry.
Sabi mo nga maglakad sila one hit eh. Dalawang bomba magkatabi eh.
Declare nyo na yung yung Sunmount Desert.
Wala, 8 UTC to eh.
8UTC yun, 8UTC.
Ito yung UCC.
Yung problem kasi, na-try na namin before yung mag-declare.
Sino to? Kilala ka, Aris to.
Ha?
Siguro siya
Bakit
dami
ba
may-
talaga mga yan?
Oh, you're my diamond. I know, bro.
Yo,
You're my diamond.
Diamond Zero.
May Gucci, may Gucci, may Gucci, may Gucci.
You see here?
Bloodletter. Ito, sa ano natin. Get you ito ah. Ito, Gucci yan.
Lang check nyo.
Yaris oh.
Ha?
Yan, sige, patay nyo. Atakin nyo pabalik.
Bago na good. Nag-cleric.
Atakin nyo pabalik.
Copy paste mo. Ano?
3, 2, 1, hit.
Tangina mo ha.
Eh!
Bobo.
Ayaw mo umalis ha.
Ayaw umalis ha, ditigat ka pa sa lab ah.
Silang pala ng dami.
Silang. Fighting full, defended by Terry.
Wala na. AJs.
Pwede kayo kumontent dito ng 8UTC if want nyo. Kaso, problem, maraming nakiki-epal na third party.
Ayun nga, kapag ikaw yung sieging, maraming
Oo.
iipan.
Last time,
Kang
binalo
Saris
kami
was-
nila Liam eh. Ginalo kami nila Liam.
Mahirap yan
Kang
kapag
sabis mas-
kapag sa outside ng portal, talagang maraming ano.
Pero yung 8UTC nila, sa tingin ko, yun yung pinakamalaki nilang mas. Pag sila nagde-depend.
Si Eric namatay, pag zone natin namatay.
One-shot na siya.
Zonin ng mga peers mo. Yun yung unang lumabas eh.
Gladys Goodnight.
Hello, paano yung battle board?
Ano sabi sa Sage?
Hindi daw siya nahil.
Hindi daw siya na-heal. Wala naman tayong healer eh. May healer dyan.
Si Peachy daw. Tama daw
Si Peachy. Gago, hindi na umalis si Peachy. Akala ko alis yung gagong yan. Gago.
Nasa kabila comms sila.
Sa bomb squad comms. Bigyan ko ulit kayo, Hiraya.
Mamaya ka sa amin, Eric.
May content ka, wala.
Ikaw wala akong mag-depo march ang 14M to.
Yeah,